In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of enabling or allowing sensitive content in your Telegram application. You'll need to follow these steps using your iPhone or Android device's web browser, as the sensitive content option cannot be enabled directly within the native Telegram app. First, open your web browser on your device and navigate to the Telegram web platform. Once the Telegram web page loads, log into your account to access your chats and conversations. To enable sensitive content, tap on the three horizontal lines located at the top left corner of your screen to access the menu, then click on Settings. In the Telegram Web Settings menu, scroll down until you find the Privacy and Security option. Then tap on it. Continue scrolling to the bottom of the page until you reach the Sensitive Content section. Here, you'll find the option to disable filtering. Toggle this option to enable sensitive content filtering. If you're unable to locate the disable filtering option, don't worry. There's an alternative solution available. Open your Telegram application and tap on the search bar at the top. Type @nicegram_bot and select the bot from the results. Start a conversation with the bot by tapping on Start. Follow the prompts to confirm that you are over 18 years old and select the option to show sensitive content. Once you've completed these steps, you'll be able to view sensitive content within your Telegram application. That's it. You've successfully enabled sensitive content on Telegram using either the web browser or the @nicegram_bot. Enjoy exploring a wider range of content on the platform.